Archie.
And I'm Muskan.
And today we are going to watch the America versus Indian troll video. You know, usually I have watched Indian troll videos, but I don't have any idea about how American used to troll the videos.
Yeah, and it's going to be crazy because we both have seen the Indian trolls video. Now they're going to compare it with America. That's going to be very crazy. So let's get into the video.
Whoa.
Strongest man. Oh, he's pulling the
Trucks.
They are the trucks or the cars. Oh my god! Helicopter! I think that is too much.
Exactly, you know, he was just straight away pulling the helicopters down there.
What a comparison, man. They have the best helicopters. That's true, they have.
Oh my god!
Flying auto
Invention.
rickshaw! Best water rides.
Oh my god! So
That's quite offending.
yes, because the amount of rainfall in India, it is crazy. So it usually happens that the tracks where the train moves now,
Yeah.
it is full filled with water.
Yeah, so this is our kind of rides. Ghosts in America. Yes. Is this a Conjuring or what?
Oh yes, this is Conjuring.
Yes. Whoever is wearing the plain white clothes, that is considered the ghost in India.
Exactly, and you know, I have seen this video before. They are usually doing a prank, and
Yeah.
it's in what they do is they disguised in a full white clothes, and it's a saying in India that whomever you see in white clothes, they are ghost.
Yeah, that is the thing here.
Yeah, so basically what they do is they scare people 2 a.m. at the night, and anybody in white dress,
And
obviously
with the open hair. Yes.
anybody will be scared, guys.
Yes.
Stunts,
Whoa.
wheelie.
This is the American. The spelling was wrong. India is winning in this for sure.
Exactly, for sure.
Yeah. Have you tried it with the water bottle? Yes, I have tried. With the cylinders!
Wait. What is happening?
We have so much strength, I guess.
Exactly. I only heard of water bottle flips, and I
Yeah,
have
you
done it before.
Yes, we have done that. This
And
is crazy.
They are doing cylinder flips.
Very strong.
Wow.
Gymnast. Oh, they have
Crazy.
amazing gymnast. That's true. Wow.
It was
Oh
like a
my
monkey.
god, I'm thinking about his balls.
Oh, God.
Yeah, this is how we play.
Oh my god, he fell.
We have the best police. American police.
Oh wait, what?
Oh, that was so close.
Flying
Flying cars! This is like the typical Indian movie, like from South movie, yes?
Exactly, you know, this Indian movies and South movies also, they have an obsession with flying cars.
Yes, we have seen a lot of movies of that they are obsessed. Actually, she's right, they are obsessed with the flying cars.
See, the human is not falling.
Yeah, what a balance. Woo. We have the best bodybuilders.
Okay. Oh my god.
What the hell? That's the big belly. He is not the bodybuilder at all.
Exactly. But what is he doing? Is he posing or is he dancing?
It's looking ugly. Fencing. What is this? Do you know anything about this?
Yeah. You know, it's type of a we have heard about sword fighting.
Yeah, I
But
know.
this is a thin sword.
Okay.
And-
That's an American sword.
Yeah, you can say it. Let's see.
I'm waiting for the Indian one.
What?
Is this a sword? Is this even a sword? And what is this place to fight? Oh my
Exactly. I didn't got the comparison between this fence fighting,
God.
at all.
This is a different fence fighting.
Exactly. This is a scenario of a village, and people are fighting with something smooth and something soft.
Yeah, and you can fall into the water as well. Bungee jumping. I wanna try this out. Whoa. It's scary.
Oh my god! What is this?
Whoa, bungee jumping in India, that is very scary because my head will be inside the ground, I guess.
Exactly, but I guess what we saw. This was an individual who is actually crazy, or straight away he has run from a mental asylum.
Yeah, but that should be like that should be some distance from the ground, but it was looking like
Exactly.
he's going to enter inside the ground.
Crazy man. Parker, jump.
Oh, yeah, I've seen in the movies.
I love it. Oh
Crazy!
my
Have you seen this
God.
movie?
Yes. My childhood memories just got relived because when I was a child, I used to love this movie. I was a fan of how he's running and he's straight away flying in the air.
Yeah. Traffic cops, yeah. Waiting for the Indian one. Because Indian traffic sucks.
Oh my
Oh
God!
my
Whoa,
God.
whoa! What is this?
He's doing karate. Best concerts.
Yeah.
I think now India also have the best
Okay.
concerts.
Bro,
This
no,
is a
what
typical
is this?
DJ night in
Exactly.
India. In the marriages, they like put
It's-
the DJ.
It's a clip from somebody's wedding.
Wedding, yes, definitely.
Oh my God, crazy.
Roti maker.
Ask our
Do you
Indian
guys-
moms.
Do you guys like eat rotis? That's so strange.
Whoa. Like this.
You cannot beat my mom.
Exactly.
Mother is sending her daughter to school.
She's crying.
Oh, she's sad. Oh my God! I just remember from my childhood that I always act like I have this stomach pain. I don't want to go to
Exactly.
school, and my mom used to push me. You have to go to school.
Every Indian child has this nightmare. And here in Indian households, I guess mothers are more eager to send their children to school. See,
Yeah.
as fast as I should send my child school so that I can do my household works.
Yeah, the space they need. Best
Train cleaning.
system.
Wow. I think we can't beat them.
Yes. That is so.
See?
And what about the people that are sitting inside it?
Pranksters.
Pranksters. No.
Indian-
India have the best pranksters. That is the box of the fridge.
Oh my God.
Motorcycle lifting machine.
Bro, we can just pick it up and throw.
Really?
Is he carrying it on his head?
Oh my God. They have best wheat combined. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, it's quite embarrassing for us to see it. I'm watching it for the first time.
I have only one word, that machines left the chat, guys.
Yeah, actually.
Drama shows.
Yes.
Oh, Vampire Diaries.
Yeah.
Joy.
Yeah. Oh my God. That Saas becoming Bahuti thing. Oh my God. She's sighing herself. Bullet to bullet. Yeah, in the slow mo, it is
Okay,
taking like
okay.
2 hours to reach the.
What
did he just
do?
He just ate it.
the bullet. Wow.
Nice. Ew, that's gross. In the mud. Oh my God. Laptop cleaners. They're comparing the laptop cleaners.
Oh my God,
Oh my God, that was a hilarious scene from the TV, like Indian TV serial. So
Exactly.
like her husband maybe told her to like clean the laptop or something was like, so she actually took it like the literal meaning of it, and she's
Yes.
like cleaning the whole laptop.
Exactly. You know how we do the dishes? She thought that she has to clean the laptop the same way because she's from a background where she didn't know about laptops, where she
Yeah.
has zero education actually.
Yeah.
So that's why this happened. Wow.
Russian hour trains.
China.
I'm waiting for that Mumbai,
Mumbai local
clip.
trains.
Yes.
Whoa. Wow.
We don't stand on the train. We don't stand on the train.
Exactly.
Like you guys still have this misconception that we stand on the train, guys. Please, we
Please.
don't do that. We don't do that anymore.
Pushers.
Wow! Wow! That's easy.
Yes.
That's smooth.
And
That's
actually, that's feel like we are sliding down the whole way. And
smooth. Yeah. Cake cutters?
what are they
seriously?
comparing?
Cake cutters. That's not India.
That's not India.
I'm not from India.
I have seen people cut through a spoon,
Yeah, the
cut through a
spoon.
knife, and cut through maybe some slant things. But what
Yeah.
was that?
Like from with the finger. We have sharp fingers, guys. Oh
Wow.
dudes! Oh my god! Oh my
Wow.
god! He has made that using henna.
Yes,
Oh
henna.
my- oh
you know,
my God.
actually, if you guys know or not, I don't know. Henna is a mehndi, a kind of imprints that we use on our hands during weddings or some functions. You know, it's kind of a ritual to put in
yeah.
India.
And he has used it for like the abs.
Abs.
Oh my god. Crazy. They have the best. What's that?
Okay, I'll tell you about
4WDs.
it. These 4WDs, you know, we have usual cars.
Okay.
So there are cars, we have 4 wheels, right?
Okay, yes.
So 2 RWDs means the front 2 wheels work, but these are the kind of cars where all 4 wheels have the power and they pull the cars on every side. For example, I'll give you, Thar.
Yeah, I know the Thar.
Yeah.
Yes.
We call it 4 into X.
Yeah.
4X.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
means 4 of the wheels are working together.
Okay.
They have more power usually than the two rear wheels one.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my god! The video was crazy. Oh my god, that was also like quite embarrassing to watch because how they were comparing the laptops and this cake cutter and everything and the train thing. This is crazy.
Exactly. And there was some on the same page to compare. For example, you can see the cake cutter videos.
Yeah.
I thought that was something, it is done for fun. But
Yeah.
it's okay. Anyways, Indians are somebody you will never found on anywhere.
And like after watching this video, I realized like so much strength we have. Like we are just pulling the whole gas cylinders and we are just throwing
Exactly.
it. That is crazy.
That was a plus point, guys. So let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below. Like, share, and
Subscribe. Bye.
bye.